Hey everybody, welcome back to the 509. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and go through the specs. I guess basically do a review of the Bose Soundlink Micro Bluetooth speaker. And I've been checking these out, doing a little bit of homework on these. Now we do have a it's a JBL, one of the round, I forgot the model number of it. I'll see if I can remember and post it on here, but we've got the JBL one, and it sounds great, that the JBL one, but it's a little bit bulky, and we like to travel, and we like to take one of these speakers with us, and we thought, well, this one might be a little bit, well, it is a lot smaller, just be a little easier to carry with us. So we went ahead and bought this after checking out all the reviews, but here it is. You can hang this on anything, you know, that it'll fit in. That's a little bit stretchy here, but just got a little hook there. You can put it on there. You can put it on a bicycle handlebar or just whatever. Put it on your backpack straps or something like that. But anyways, we'll get into the specs here in just a few minutes, and let me see what else is in the box here. Let's see if I can get this out. This little tab in here, but it's kind of folded down in there. There it goes. So there's your, I'm assuming your quick start guide and stuff. Let's check that out. This one's for the other both. I guess this one's multi-language, but this is probably going to be the quick start guide. You can get the, although not necessary, get the Bose Connect app, and I think that's you know, you can use that to hook up, but you can also use that if you want to connect multiple speakers to one device. Just got all the quick instructions here. I guess basically this first page tells you all you need to know. So along with that comes your charging cable, and looks like it's a micro USB connection there, and that's it. So we'll get into the specs here in just a little bit. Okay, so a couple of things real quick before we get started. One was, sorry about the audio in the previous portion. I had the fan turned on and I went to look at the video and I heard it was kind of a little bit muffled when I was talking, but I went ahead and turned the fan off. But excuse me, the other thing is that I'm gonna leave a link to the speaker in my description, and if you guys could please, if you're thinking about buying one of these, if you can click on the link down below, and it'll be the same one that I bought, this one here exactly. So it'll give you what I thought was the best price. But yeah, if you don't mind checking out that link, I'd greatly appreciate it. So first of all, this speaker comes in 3 different colors. We're looking at the charcoal, and then it also comes in a dark blue and an orange. I went ahead and plugged it in for a few minutes after I got it out of the box because it was pretty much dead. So basically, you know, you plug it in here, of course, and these lights right here will light up and they'll flash with the status of how much it's charged. So it'll go up in time. It's supposed to take about 4 hours to fully charge. Then once it's done all the way up there, it'll be fully charged. And then let's turn it on real quick. You can listen to it when it wakes up.
Battery 30%. Ready to connect. To start setup, download the Bose Connect app.
Okay, so now once it does that, then you'll see that it's trying to pair with your device for the Bluetooth. So you can hit it again and it'll pair again. So once it's fully charged, like I said, all these lights will be lit up, and you've got your other main operation buttons here, your volume controls, and the strap back here, like I was mentioning earlier, you can just unhook it. It's got the little hook right there. You can use that to attach this to whatever. And then also back here, it's got like a passive radiator, which really helps to improve the sound. And then you have your multi-function button there in the middle. So I can't wait to try this out. I can't hook it up right now. I'll probably hook it up to my wife's phone or something like that and videotape the sound a little bit. So that way, I mean, I know it's not going to be a true sound through YouTube, but it'll give you an idea of what it sounds like. So really excited about this purchase. Don't forget to check out the link in the description so you can get one as well. And I'll see if I can follow up this portion with a little bit of sound. Down here in Pensacola Beach. How beautiful is that? A couple of the other specs on this speaker is the size of it. It's really compact. But let me turn this off because it keeps talking. Compact size. It comes in at 3.87 inches square, and then it is 1.37 inches tall. If you look at it, about right there, a little over 3 3/4 inches square, and then the height of it. And also it's got these little feet here that help it to stand off the surface that you're putting on, and it helps it to breathe a little bit better with that passive radiator. If it was flat, then that radiator wouldn't be able to breathe very well. As I mentioned earlier, it takes about 4 hours to get a full charge on this, but once it's fully charged, it says that it can last up to 6 hours on a single charge. I guess depending on the use, volume level and stuff. One of the main features of the speaker was that it's waterproof, and you don't have to worry about it when you're taking it out. When we travel and we go walking around or something like that, that it might start raining, or if you're in a high humidity area, it's going to be okay. Also, you can take it in the shower if you want to, play some music in there, whatever. You can take it with you to the pool and not have to worry about dropping it in the water, So I think that's a really good feature on it. The last thing on the speaker is that the weight. It's 0.68 of a pound, so it's a little bit more than half a pound, but it's still pretty light. It's a lot lighter than that JBL I was mentioning earlier. But this is going to be great. It's going to be a great little travel speaker. All right, so that's going to conclude this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please take a second and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family if you would, please. And also don't forget to go to my affiliates link and click on that if you're interested in buying one. If you would, I would greatly appreciate it. And we will see you back here at the 509. Y'all take care.